Hey everyone, Chris here from All Bee Farms, and today I'm going to be getting into my split over there that I did a while back, and guess what? It got a laying worker. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, that is really hard to, fix. Sometimes it can be really hard to fix that problem, but it is fixable. So I'm going to go into that hive, and I'm going to show you how I fixed it, and no spoiler alerts, but for a quick little peek at it, I was able to get it under control, and I might or I might not have queen cells. So what I did basically was I put a frame of larvae in, brood, larvae, eggs in that little split that I did. And I may or may not have good queen cells. So let's go ahead and jump into the split. This hive has or got a laying worker. And that is so annoying when that happens. But it does, and I can't do nothing about it. But what I did was, I'm going to show you how I'm going to try to fix it, or I might have already fixed it. We're going to see, last time I was in here, I put another frame in there of larvae. And then they did draw it out with queen cups, I think. Let me pull up my gloves. And so these bees are, I put a frame of here for my meanest hive, which I shouldn't have done that, but I did. So there's some mean bees in here. But the genetic is not going to be mean because it's of course it's my genetic. And I checked my grafting little finisher starter thing for queen rearing, and it's going good. Just wanted to say that. And we're looking for a virgin queen, making sure there's no more laying workers. I don't see any eggs, bad eggs or anything yet. So as you see, this is a good frame here. We're going to set this aside, and we're going to check for queen cells, virgin queen, and make sure that they're making a queen. Because we don't want them to have that laying worker forever. This was the frame here that I saw the queen cell on, and it looked like a good larvae. So let's see if it hatched. Yep, look at the bottom. They got a queen cell right on the bottom there. Queen cells there. Oh, look at that. They got queen cells here. And this is your regular larvae. So there we go, folks. We know that this hive should be okay. This hive should be able to get a new queen. The laying worker has stopped. But this isn't the end of the video, folks, because I'm going to share with you how I fixed this problem. It's a problem that all of us beekeepers will face. You're going to face it at some point too when you make your splits. But we're gonna solve that issue, and you can solve it. Sometimes it may be a little harder to solve, but you can solve it. I'm going to tell you that right now. We got a lot of worker bees. We're going to put that frame back down. So no queen in here, so there's no need to go any further. I've seen what I need to see. They got queen cells. This hive is going to be okay, and I'm going to share with you how I fixed that. And simple thing what I did was I put a frame of brood in here and larvae. So what happened first was I put that frame of brood in there. They didn't really draw any cells out. Well, they did, but what they did was they drew the cup out, and then a laying worker came back after it and laid eggs in the cells. So that wouldn't be good, would it? Nah, it wouldn't be good. So after that, I cut all those cells up until they gave up, basically. I kept them going in there, make sure that I destroyed the cups that the laying worker is laying. And then what I did was I put a frame, that frame that you just saw me pick up, I put that frame in there that had young larvae, and there you go. It takes a little time, but it works. It happens, laying worker, definitely a big issue that happens, but that's the basic way to be able to solve a laying worker, is put a frame of brood in here to just indicate that, there's brood in here. There's no need for you to be here. There's no need. There's larvae in here. There's no need for that laying worker to be here. Another thing you can do is you can shake the laying worker out. A lot of beekeepers do that. I didn't do that necessarily. I just worked with this hive. It's been about 2 weeks, and I guess we got it fixed now, folks. But that's just my simple way of checking and, fixing a laying worker hive. That happens, but if you know how to do it, and if you set your mind to it, you can fix that problem. And it's a big problem. I know a lot of beekeepers that have that problem, but something we have to face one point in our beekeeping career. And this is actually my first time facing a laying worker, so we did good, folks. We did alright to make sure this hive is good and healthy. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and smash the thumbs up. And I also real quick wanted to say that I'm sorry I haven't been able to get as much YouTube content out. I promise I'm on my job to make 48-hour content each 48 hours. I'm trying my best, folks. I've been very busy. I have some, cells or cups being made, queens. Yep, that's right, folks, queens. And I have some good takes going on right now, and I think it's going to be good. But, like I said, if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and smash the like. It helps us a lot. But guys, take care, be safe, and we'll catch you on the next beekeeping video.